Hi guys, in the last video you saw me make this fella. This is a former for casting resin pen blanks for Make Neil to turn. So what I need to do next is line the former with some cling film, stop it sticking to be able to get the blanks out. I've worked out how much resin we're going to need using a basic multiplication. The total size of these is 22 by 22 by 37 times 3. That works out to over half a litre of resin. So I'm going to pour and mix 600 grams. Annoyingly, the instructions on the resin are in grams, but obviously don't know if it's as dense as water or quite what, so I've just gone a bit over, and hopefully there won't be too much wastage. So I'm going to line this with cling film, and then I'll get the resin out and we'll have a mix up and a pour and see what goes on. Right, so I've got the former lined with cling film, masking taped. Made sure that all the sides are taped shut just in case any of the glue hasn't spread and taken, but hopefully it'll be resin tight. This is the stuff we're using, it's polyester resin. It's horrible stuff, it absolutely stinks. Yeah, clear cast polyester resin, and the hardness. We're going to be mixing up 600 grams of the resin, 12 grams of the catalyst hardener, and that should be enough for the 3 pen blanks. But safety first, I need to get my mask on and gloves on, eye protection, all that good stuff, because this stuff is pretty horrible, and even in a sealed closed tin it still stinks. It is horrible stuff, so if you do use it, be careful. Right, here we go, all the safety gear, double gloves, eyes, nose, ears, job done. So we're going to weigh 600 grams of resin, 12 grams of the catalyst, give it a whisk up. So the scales on this stuff is quite precise, and it does go off quite quick, so it doesn't give an awful lot of working time. I'm just over 610. So 610 grams of the resin, so still stick with 12 of the catalyst. With this stuff, you have to squeeze it up into the top reservoir. It helps to avoid overdoing. So reset the scales. I'm going quite slowly with this. We want to go over just under 11. It'll drop more. 12 grams, perfect. Let's put that away out of the way. What I now have is my patent pending stirrer. This is basically 2 bamboo skewers chopped in half, wrapped in duct tape, wiped in the bottom of a drill. When you're finished, works a treat. Get rid of the scales. Thank you. So making a treat. There we go, first one's going in, straight in the middle. What I'm going to do with the other 2, I'm going to make them a bit more interesting and mix in some colours and some glitter. But the middle one is a sort of control, so I'm not sure if this is going to bugger up the science and the chemistry of the resin. I'm going to pour in some leftover disposable wine glasses. It's going to be a bit much for these, but let's see. Now this one we're going to have some nice gold glitter, because why not? Also put some in the former. And this one we're going to have some red and some blue acrylic, which hopefully make a bit of a purple colour. Let's mix that in. It's red, bit of purple acrylic, bit of blue acrylic rather, properly gummed up. Oh, it's nice and thick, look at that. Lovely. I'll mix over too well, but it'll help. Right, let's pour it and see what happens. Maybe it escaped. That's the purpley one. A glittery boy going. Turn it around. Bit left over to go in the middle one, it's a bit low. Right. That's how they look. So very well. Purple on one side, clear in the middle, gold glitter on the other side. Got those go off overnight, and till tomorrow. Hopefully they'll turn out. Cheers, bye. Right then guys, a week later, it's time to try and get the pen blanks out of the former. I must say these have been stinking out my house for the last week. I brought them in the house because they didn't go off very well in the cold in the shed, so I brought them in the house. They've been stashed in a carrier bag in my spare bedroom. I've released as much of the masking tape as possible, but they seem to be well in there. I'm going to try and give them a bit of a pry out with a nail puller I've got, so see if they come out. Otherwise I fear I'm going to have to take apart the former and pop them out, and well, it may never be the same again, but anyway, here goes. I'm just going to move the camera, so yeah. Right, here we go. It's just a nail puller, a couple of quid from Wilco's, but they do not want to budge. None of them. No, not having it. Right, I'm going to get the screwdriver out and take the screws off the sides and see if this is going to play ball or not. I'll take the end ones off as well because they're held in with pocket holes, so I'll get my Craig bit out. Oops. Just remembered, I glued all these in, trying to do a proper job, so this is not going to go well. Yeah, I should not have glued it, I should have just screwed it. In fact, I think I have screwed it. Let's take the screws out proper. Right, yeah, that is not going anywhere. What a tip. Did not think this through. But I'm going to see if I can knock these off. Good job, didn't spread the glue very well. So if I can get under it with my pry bar, nibble them up a bit. They're making a horrible noise. I'm worried these are going to crack. That'd be a real shame for them to crack and break at this stage. Let's see if I can get something to give a clout with a mallet. Old screwdriver, that'll do. If in doubt, knife it out. hoping that's the glue giving. I feel it's going to be the world's dullest video. I'm going to turn this off for now. I'll come back in a sec when I've got all these out. Right, managed to get it out. I had to completely dismantle this thing. Cut the glue, smack it about with a mallet and an old screwdriver, but got there in the end. Now I've got these, and they actually look alright. They're going to need a bit of cleaning up. There is a bit of cling film and masking tape stuck to them, but I imagine they'll just spin off on the lathe when Neil turns them. Actually, that's the gold glittery one. See, I didn't mix that very well, but they should look pretty cool still. And the red one looks like a just like frozen Ribena or frozen port. This one's still ever so slightly tacky, so I'm a bit worried that the acrylic paint in this has messed about with the resin chemistry, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to stick these in the post to Neil and see if he can chop them and turn them. We'll see how that goes. See you soon. Bye now. Right, here we go. It's just a nail pillar, a couple of quid from Wilco's, but they do not want to budge. None of them. No, not having it. Right, I'm going to get the screwdriver out and take the screws off the sides and see if this is going to play ball or not. I should not have glued it, I should have just screwed it. In fact, I think I have screwed it. Let's take the screws out proper. What a tip. Did not think this through, but I'm going to see if I can knock these off. Good job, didn't spread the glue very well. So if I can get under it with my pry bar, nibble them up a bit. They're making a horrible noise. I wonder if these are going to crack. That'd be a real shame for them to crack and break at this stage. Well, I feel it's going to be the world's dullest video. I'm going to turn this off for now. I'll come back in a sec when I've got all these out. Right, managed to get it out. I have to completely dismantle this thing. Cut the glue, smack it about with a mallet and an old screwdriver, but got it there in the end. So now I've got these, and they actually look alright. They're going to need a bit of cleaning up. There is a bit of cling film and masking tape stuck to them, but I imagine they'll just spin off on the lathe when Neil turns them. Actually, that's the gold glittery one. See, I didn't mix that very well, but they should look pretty cool still. And the red one looks like just like frozen Ribena or frozen port. This one's still ever so slightly tacky, so I'm a bit worried that the acrylic paint in this has messed about with the resin chemistry, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to stick these in the post to Neil and see if he can chop them and turn them. We'll see how that goes. See you soon. Bye now.